Hi, Taylor here with Lawson Screen and Digital Products, and today we're going to be talking how to change colors on press using a press wash. Now, color change happens all the time during production, and instead of making two screens, you can just make one. This way you'll save time, chemicals, and money. It's easiest to move from your lightest color to your darkest. For this, I'm going to be printing with Fluorescent Red and then switching to solar blue. Using the ultimate cleanup card, I'm going to try to save as much of this ink as possible. The ink is still good, so you might as well save it and just put it right back into your bucket for later use. I'm going to rotate my t-shirt tube to a kind of blank spot just to help me protect my platen. Put my screen down, take my press wash, spray it in the screen. I'm going to use my squeegee a little bit just to kind of help me move everything around. Now I should just be able to wipe it up. If I have a bunch left, I can just spray a little bit more press wash. I'm just going to do a quick spray to get rid of some of the residue. And it's okay if there's a little bit of ink still left on the sides or over the tape, because that's not going to affect your next print, especially because you are always moving from your lightest to your darkest colors. Now I'm ready to put my next color in. Following these steps will help you plan your production so you can save time, money, and chemicals. Make sure to check out Press Wash on our e-store and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great tech tips.